Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. Time to enter the world of civil engineering. Here we will learn about different concepts related to civil engineering. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more new updates. In today's video we are going to discuss about important points for civil site engineers should be remember on construction site. Lab and field tests on building materials. In the construction industry, the term materials testing can refer to the evaluation of almost any kind of building material that impacts the project at hand. This includes aspects of the local terrain, including soil quality and composition, as well as potential impact on nearby structures. It also encompasses testing of concrete, cement, aggregate, steel, masonry and woodwork elements throughout the structure. It includes both lab tests and field tests for different construction materials. Lab and field test. Basic knowledge of soil and their properties. 1. All civil engineering structures are built on ground, which is nothing else but soil. 2. Soil plays a major role in determining the depth of the foundation required to keep a building safe. 3. Different kinds of soil will require different type of foundations. Depending on the properties of soil, a civil engineer, geotechnical engineer, decides what should be the type of foundation to be used and the depth of the same. 4. Soil contains water and water sometimes causes troubles in construction of foundation. This can be known by studying the soil conditions. 5. The soil bearing capacity, SBC, dry density of the soil, etc. plays a major role in design of any kind of foundation. Hence, study of soil plays a very important role in civil engineering projects. Standard formulas of RCC and steel structure design. We have to learn all the formulas for designing a steel structure and reinforced cement concrete. For example, how to find the quantity of steel for slab, columns, etc. What is the formula for bent-up bars? Because there are different types of bent in steel structure. We also have to learn lapping length formula for compression or tension member like beam, column, etc. So we have to learn all the standard formula for RCC structure and steel structure. To be checked length to height ratio, thickness of the wall and area of other rooms while designing a building. So with drawing, we study all the room's dimensions, such as height, breadth, and thickness of wall. And also area of the room while designing. Here, we have to check the depth of the beam, thickness of the slab, etc. because if we don't check these dimensions, we will make mistake errors in building construction. That's why we need to check all these factors. Lab tests of soil, both surface and foundation soil. It is very important to have knowledge of tests performed on soil. Because we have different tests for soil in lab for both foundation and surface soil. Soil play a major role in construction as it is bed for any construction. So we need to calculate its bearing capacity, compaction, water absorption, and other details. Following are few general points to remember for civil site engineers to make the construction work easier while maintaining quality of construction. Lapping is not allowed for the bars having diameters more than 36 mm. Chair spacing maximum spacing is 1.00 m, or 1 no per 1 square meter. For dowels, rod minimum of 12 mm diameter should be used. Chairs minimum of 12 mm diameter bars to be used. Longitudinal reinforcement not less than 0.8% and more than 6% of gross C/S. Minimum bars for square column is 4 no-s and 6 no-s for circular column. Main bars in the slabs shall not be less than 8 mm, HYSD, or 10 mm, plain bars, and the distributors not less than 8 mm and not more than 1/8 of slab thickness. Minimum thickness of slab is 125 mm. Dimension tolerance for cubes plus 2 mm. Free fall of concrete is allowed maximum to 1.50 m. Lap slices not be used for bar larger than 36 mm. Water absorption of bricks should not be more than 15%. pH value of the water should not be less than 6. Compressive strength of bricks is 3.5 N/mm2. In steel reinforcement, binding wire required is 8 kg per mt. In soil filling as per is code, 3 samples should be taken for core cutting test for every 100 square meters. Curing time for concrete members for various type of cement. Super sulfate cement, 7 days. Ordinary Portland cement OPC, 10 days. Minerals and admixture added cement, 14 days. De-Shuttering period of different RCC members. The period for columns, walls, vertical formworks 16-24 HRS. Period for soffit formwork to slabs 3 days, props to be refixed after removal. The period for soffit to beams props 7 days, props to refixed after removal. Beams spanning up to 4.5 m 7 days. Beams spanning over 4.5 m 14 days. Arches spanning up to 6 m 14 days. arches spanning over 6m 21 days. Thanks for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.